Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Capitec. First, ensure you have an active PayPal account and your Capitec bank details readily available. The process requires setting up an FNB Global account to act as the bridge between the two services. We will walk through each step, making the connection clear and straightforward for you to manage your funds effectively. Setting up your FNB Global account is the foundational step in this integration. Navigate to the FNB online banking platform or download their app and look for the Global account option. The registration typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes and asks for standard personal information, including your full name, address, and a valid South African identification number. This account acts as the conduit for your international PayPal funds. With your FNB Global account active, log into your PayPal account and proceed to the Withdraw Funds section. You will choose to link or withdraw to a South African bank, which then redirects you to the FNB online portal. Here, you will securely input your FNB Global account credentials to authorize the connection. PayPal typically sends a small, random deposit of a few cents to verify ownership, which you will then confirm on the FNB platform. After successfully linking PayPal to your FNB Global account, you can initiate withdrawals from PayPal to FNB. Once the funds reflect in your FNB Global account, typically within 3 to 5 business days, you can then perform a standard interbank transfer to your Capitec account. This final transfer usually takes 1 to 2 business days to process. There is a nominal FNB withdrawal fee, often around 15 South African rand, for each transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.